So I ordered pink Seoul box, and this is my first time. We're going to open this and see what's inside. And I'm curious what I think about Korean skincare. So if you guys don't know me, I'm Elaina. I usually do makeup tutorials, reviews, face paint, drag looks. I was on Painted to the Raven Season 2, available on Presents Plus right now. So you can watch me there or check out my videos later. So in this video, we're going to be digging into this box. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into this. So I'm very casual today. No eyelashes, no crazy makeup, no hair. It was a busy day. So yeah, I ordered this myself. And that's no PR. I've been watching a lot of skincare videos. I'm into skincare. I'm 49 and my skin is pretty good. So I take care of my skin already. So I was just wondering how the Korean skincare is. I'm pretty sure I tried something before from like Charm or whatever, but I wanted to order something. So I made a research and some of the boxes I wanted to order Balmy Box, but Balmy Box is not customized. So it's like for any skin type, and I wanted something for dry skin and for like anti-wrinkles. So pink Seoul, I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm bad. But anyway, this box is customizable. So I chose dry skin and anti-wrinkle. So the total price was $49.95, and with the taxes, the shipping is free. The tax and everything was $48.66. So it's a lot of full size products there. So I looked it up and I wanted to see what each product is. And I'm not going to tell you now, it's a little tedious, it's internet search. So the total that I looked it up was around $150. So it kind of reminds me of BoxyCharm. Oh, the value is very similar. So we're gonna go product by product. Well, first of all, I got a bag here. I think they put some extra. And this is like a shopping bag. So we're gonna open this together. It looks just like the box. It's the same colors. So this is what it looks like. It's all wrapped up here. Yeah, there you go. It's very pretty. I like to bring my own bags to a grocery shop, so it's pretty large actually. It's nice. I like it. So I'm definitely gonna use this. I'm gonna put it in the floor. And then we got 2 sheet masks. So this one is Marine Luminous Pearl Deep Moisture Mask, and it has a little samples of Essence, Marine Waterfall Essence, and Marine All Face Eye Cream, and the mask. So this is supposed to be, what does it do? It contains pure Gan Dew deep sea water, marine collagen, and pearl extract. I don't know, it's probably just moisture. And then we got this one, Haloasis on Oasis for the skin brightening heel mask. And this one, it has Desert Rose extract for a brighter look. I'm looking at ingredient list, and it seems like there's a lot of moisturizing ingredients. Yeah, niacinamide, definitely brightening, so I'm very excited about this as well. And we got 2 products from the same brand, our Aeronix, and one of them, hyaluronic acid aqua cream, whitening and anti-wrinkle. Whitening kind of worries me. I don't know, whitening thing. I use self-tanner, but you know, for the face, it might not be bad. And this one, age recovery long hydration, day-long hydration. That's the eye cream. And there is English there, so there is like Korean and there is English as well. So it says what it does. So it says that if you, in case you get a red spot, irritation, side effects, contact the doctor right away. Kind of a little bit concerning, but we'll see. It has sodium hyaluronate, obviously hyaluronic acid, and it has cylindrica root ferment extract, mistletoe ferment extract. I don't know what that thing does, but I'm gonna see. There's a lot of stuff it has, and this one is very similar, has similar ingredients, so I'm gonna try this too. So that's full size products. That's two already. Then I'm very excited about this because this is a snail mucin, and I've been wanted to try snail mucin for that extra glowy look. It's called Revive Serum Ginseng, and this is Beauty of Jison. I can't pronounce it. Probably gonna butcher everything. Yeah, it doesn't really say. It's pretty much just snail mucin. The first ingredients is Panax ginseng root water, and there is a snail secretion filtrate, 3%. Yeah, it's very interesting. Then you got this one, it's a full size, and there's more snail stuff. Snail matrix essence. Oh, really interesting. So this one contains 23% of snail secretion. I'm gonna put that SHA2 all over my face. So, yeah, the first ingredient is water. The second was snail secretion filtrate, and then the little hydrating ingredients, cucumber seed extract. You know, looks like very good stuff. So very excited about this. And then we got My Orchard Mochi Cleansing Foam, Passion Fruit. So pretty much cleansing foam. So that's interesting as well. And we got a little thing here. This is Brass Serum, and it's for ultimate nutrition and firming. Tundra Chaga. I don't know, it says it's a high nutrition serum that provides rich moisture and nutrition to skin. It's packed with 59.4% of Tundra Chaga mushroom extracts. I like mushrooms. I'm not gonna eat it though. But so there you go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is like probably full size too, or maybe it's a sample, but yeah, it's a lot of products. I kind of summed it up here, like what the cost is, and there's some products that are inexpensive and some of them look very pricey, like the Press Serum. And this one is $37 and $28, like on different websites. I should have looked on Pink Seoul website, you know, afterthought. This one is 21 on Amazon. Actually, it's on Amazon. Interesting. And then we got this one, Snail Essence, and different websites like 16 something, $17. And then we got this eye cream around $25, and the other face cream is around $16, and that's actually on their website. Actually, I got a brilliant idea to actually go to their website. And they got the Revive Serum, it's $25 on their website as well. And the masks are around like $3-4. So this one is $3.50 and this one is $3. So that sounds about right. So that's all the stuff. So I decided to try everything on, and I took my makeup off except for my eyebrows because, excuse me, but I'm not taking them off. I look too weird with no eyebrows. So everything felt pretty much moisturizing, very hydrating. This one is one of the pressed serums. It's kind of thick and it smells very nicely. The snail mucin was very moisturizing as well, and it felt very slippery and hydrating. So this is the eye cream, the whitening one. It just feels like a normal moisturizing cream. Nothing special about it. The only way to tell is when I use it long term, so I can tell you guys if it really works or does anything. And this is the same face cream, again, very moisturizing. It's either unscented or it's a very subtle scent because I didn't really smell much. But it's very nice and hydrating, and there's no reaction or burning or anything. So we're back, makeupless. I took my makeup off camera and then I used foaming wash. This was really nice. I love the smell. Passion fruit. Amazing smell, nice foam, doesn't feel stripping or anything. It's probably as good for dry skin. I love it. So and then I use my own toner and just a little bit of something. Anyway, so you saw me in the water. I applied some things. I might have applied too much, but I wanted to try all of them. I don't know if you're supposed to use all of them at the same time. But the pressed serum, this one is a little thicker texture. It kind of looks brown, which is smells very subtle. It's like pleasant but subtle, and it's nice. And then we got all the snail stuff. I use both snail things. This one's the Matrix Essence, and I think this is the one contains most of the snail, like the most snail. Yes, 23%. So this one has most snail, and this one is ginseng, and snail mucin. And this one, the both felt very moisturizing. This one maybe a little more slimy, which I like. I wanted to get that slime on my face. And the eye cream, it didn't sting. It said it might irritate. I was wondering what's the whitening stuff. The eye cream felt nice and hydrating. It still feels very plump even after like a few minutes, and it feels very tacky, like it's like nice hydration. Some of the creams, like over the counter, you buy, you put them on, and it feels dry immediately. This one doesn't. And then we got the whitening anti-wrinkle cream, very moisturizing too. I can't say it's like it did not irritate my skin. So I'm very impressed. I did not try masks, of course, because I mean, it's too much. It's already a lot of stuff on my face, but I am going to try this. So far, I'm very impressed. I mean, it's my first time try, and I can't say it's going to make a difference in the long run, but I'll report back. And this is a subscription that I've subscribed once every 2 months. So I didn't want to order too much because it's going to take me a while to go through this. So we'll see. If I like it, I'll keep it. If not, maybe I'll try something else. Let me know in the comments if you guys tried any of the Korean skincare boxes or any brands that your favorite. I would love to try some. Like, I'm really into the Korean skincare right now, and I want to try everything. So drop me a comment, let me know, and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't yet. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and comment and follow me on social media if you like. All the links are down below. Thank you for watching, and I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.